Greetings to all my dear friends across my YouTube channel. Today, I've prepared a news digest covering everything that happened over the past week. You'll learn why crypto wallets may soon catch up to exchanges in popularity, how Ethereum was able to increase its transaction speed, and how Visa is onboarding new users into blockchain. I'd like to start this digest by highlighting how cryptocurrencies continue integrating into everyday life, offering regular users more opportunities for convenient transfers and global payments. More specifically, I'm talking about Visa, which recently made a decision to expand its crypto operations into multiple regions. As you know, Visa cards already support stablecoin payments, but until now this feature hasn't been available everywhere. Today, crypto payments are rolling out in Central and Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. This will undoubtedly encourage more people to explore crypto while significantly simplifying cross-border financial operations for those who regularly send money abroad. By the way, the growing public interest in crypto is already being tracked today. One strong example is the crypto exchange BingX, which has just reached a new all-time user milestone. The platform now counts over 40 million participants, many of whom actively trade, use exchange products, or even learn through the Cryptocurrency Academy. Reaching this number took time. BingX was launched back in 2018 and has since grown into one of the leading trading platforms on the market. Along with that, BingX has made major advancements in AI within the Web3 space, becoming one of the industry's most progressive Web3 AI-powered products. The exchange now integrates neural networks into its tools and provides AI agents that assist both beginner and professional traders. That's exactly why more and more users are drawn to BingX. In 2025 alone, the exchange entered the top 5 derivatives platforms, formed a reserve fund of $150 million, and launched a listing center supporting over 170 blockchains. These are not even all its achievements, but they are already enough to understand why BingX has surpassed 40 million users. And if you want to join the exchange, all the relevant links are available in the description below this video. Let's continue talking about the adoption of cryptocurrencies and the spread of Web3 technologies. This week, one of the European countries took another step towards meeting the crypt, namely the United Kingdom. The other day, the country's leadership released a new bill related to the fact that crypto assets will now be officially recognized as private property. This means that investors, traders, and token holders are now fully protected by law. In case of theft or embezzlement of their funds, they can contact the police and get their assets back. The law also applies to inheritance transfer and bankruptcy proceedings, which can also be described as a significant shift in the legal strengthening of cryptocurrencies. The next thing I would also like to talk about is the recent reasoning of analysts about choosing the main asset of 2025 with the greatest growth potential. This year is not closing well for Bitcoin, and as the charts show, it has begun to seriously lose out to the precious metals market. Over the past year, the value of the main cryptocurrency has fallen by 27%, while silver, on the contrary, showed an increase of 53%. We have already seen something like this before, namely in 2022 at the beginning of the bear market. Judging by the previous charts, we may be in for another drop in the crypt, so we can only keep an eye on what will happen next in 2026. Let's move away from the main cryptocurrency and move on to the second, equally important coin, Ethereum. This week, Ethereum set a historical record for the total number of processed transactions. With their new Layer 2 scaling solution called Lighter, Ethereum noticeably accelerated transaction processing. According to Arkham, the network can now handle 325 transactions per second. It's important to note that at the beginning of the year, this indicator was only 250 transactions. Additionally, Ethereum increased gas limits from 45 million to 60 million, which further improved the network's throughput capacity. To sum it all up, the crypto world continues advancing in every direction. Blockchains, exchanges, and wallets keep launching new products, which positively impacts both market dynamics and overall user experience. Friends, that wraps up today's digest. As always, thank you for your attention. Wishing you all a great day, good luck, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.